One of the most popular models at the Menards Chevy Show is the Chevelle, and Jim Gallwitzer's 1972 model is the winner of the RockAuto Restored Award here at Gateway. There are so many incredible aspects of this Malibu that it's hard to even know where to begin. I see an aftermarket grille, but other than that, is there anything that's not a factory piece on this car?
Yeah, absolutely. Suspension. So had to lay this thing down on the ground because that stance is everything on a car. So all Hotchkiss suspension.
How long have you had the second love? I mean, is this an original high school ride or what is it?
Close. The original high school rides at home. This one I picked up in 91. Guy had stored it from 74 to 91. I picked it up with 8,000 original miles on it. So when you start with a nice clean car, it's easy, much easier to do a nice ride that way.
That explains the vinyl roof, the interior, the trunk, and everything. Let's talk about the paint, because whoever did it is a master.
That is a very old lacquer paint.
Really?
Still in gorgeous shape, and lacquer gives that look to keep it kind of old school.
Are you to tell me, you said it was an old lacquer paint job, but is it the original paint?
It's the original paint, GM paint.
Interior, vinyl roof, trunk, is this a complete restoration, or are we using original stuff?
I cheated with the interior. This is a factory interior, all original interior. A drivetrain, just a mild small block. I wanted a driver. I wanted something I can get in, drive, and not have to worry about. It's just a warmed over small block.
Tell me about the license plate. Your second what?
My second love. First love's at home. This is second.
On the drivetrain, as far as its feasibility to drive, but you're the one that has to drive it. How is it?
Awesome, because I've got ice cold air conditioning, killer stereo system, and nice tight weather stripping, so it's a joy to drive.
Favorite part of the car?
That I own it.
Congratulations to Jim Gallwitzer and his 1972 Chevelle for taking home the RockAuto Restored Award here today. And visitor here in St. Louis is Tom Taylor from RockAuto.com.
Well, we sell most of our parts to people for their daily drivers, the cars they take to and from work every day. But a lot of our customers also have old cars, fun cars, 50-year-old cars, and we have parts for those cars too. And our selection is actually growing for those cars. And so we want to be involved in all aspects, the daily drivers and the fun cars for the weekend. A car like this Chevelle, from the bumper in the front to the bumper in the back, we have the sheet metal, we have interior trim parts like armrests and things that would have been a real hassle to find 30 years ago, but we have them now just a click away. And it's just like our parts for your daily driver, the prices are reliably low. We don't have that classic car markup that can be really frustrating if you're trying to fix up a fun old car.